In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Adobe Sign form. By the end, you'll have a shareable online form that people can fill out and sign from any device, with a link you can send or an embed code you can place on your website. We'll start by opening the Web Form tool. Sign in to Adobe Acrobat Sign or use Acrobat Online, then head to the eSign section. Look for the option labeled Create a Web Form, or sometimes Publish a Web Form, and select it. This tool converts a regular document into an interactive, signable experience, so you won't need any coding or complex setup, just your document and a few minutes to configure. Next, upload the document you want to turn into a form. Click Add Files and choose your PDF or another supported format. You'll be prompted to enter a web form name. Pick a clear, permanent title that reflects the form's purpose because this name typically can't be changed later. A descriptive name helps your team and recipients identify the form quickly. Now, configure who will interact with the form. You can assign roles based on what each participant needs to do. A signer will fill in the required fields and provide a signature. An approver simply reviews the information and gives approval without signing. A form filler enters data but doesn't sign, and CC is for anyone who should receive notifications or a copy for their records. If you need added security, you can turn on authentication, such as requiring a password or phone verification, to help ensure only the right people access and complete the form. After that, click Next to open the form editor and add your fields. Drag and drop exactly what you need. Signature fields for signers, text boxes for names and addresses, check boxes for yes or no selections, radio buttons for single-choice answers, date fields for timelines, and drop-down lists for standardized options. Place each field where the user should provide information and adjust properties such as required fields, default values, and formatting to keep entries consistent. Clear labeling goes a long way here. Use concise field names and, when available, helpful instructions so users know exactly what to enter. When everything looks good, click Create or Save. Adobe will generate a unique URL and an embed code for your site. You can share the link by email or embed the form on a web page so anyone with access can fill it out and sign online. That's it. You've created a streamlined professional web form ready for signatures and approvals.